Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor. I'm a chef, author and a culinary consultant. Today I'll be making Bhindi Hyderabadi style. Let's get started. The first step that I'm going to do, I'm going to fry these bhindis using not too much oil. So we'll lightly fry these bhindis. Fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes till the bhindi is nicely cooked. So now the bhindi is well cooked, well fried. I'm going to take these off. Put these aside and we'll do our masala. And this mustard seeds, some white urad dal, some dry red chilies. Okay, the seeds are spluttering. I'll add in some chopped onions, a little salt. Onions are pink in color, soft. I'll add in the tomatoes. While they're getting cooked, I'll add turmeric powder, red chili powder, some coriander powder, yogurt. I'm going to add the cashew nut and the fresh grated coconut which we blended. We'll add in our fried bhindi. Now you can see how fresh, green the bhindi looks. We'll cook it for a few more minutes. So the bhindi is ready for plating. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Please do try this recipe and leave your comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'm going to be back with many more vegetarian and vegan recipes. This is Chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.